Hey, what's going on, guys? Vintage TV guy here. Today I have a cheap little Chinese 2005 GE air conditioner, 5,000. I can't remember it. Oh, there it is. That's how many BTUs it is. Picked this up on the curb. Plan on selling it. Just want to show it off though. Haven't done a video in a while. So this thing's nice. It's very quiet. It's got one giant knob. I'll switch high and low speed. I want to set it to fan. Turn this all the way down. Yeah, that's cool. I like doing that. But it's super small. Like this whole part's in your window, and then this much sticks out. That's like ideal. Yeah, it's very clean. I'm not usually impressed with these newer early 2000s, late 2000s ACs, but this one isn't too bad. Yeah, and it's got a clean filter too. Yeah, but I'm gonna be selling this thing on Letgo. And it's got one of these stupid little things here. Why don't I fire it up? I gotta go get the cord. Where is the cord? There is the cord. Yeah, it's been a while since I posted a video. I've just been very busy with other things, selling crap left and right during these strange times, quarantine. All right, let me fire it up. I started on high speed. Look at that, you can barely even hear it. Oh, low speed, listen to that. The only thing that I hate about it is this. Wait. Freaking cheap front grille fell in there and it's rubbing against the fan. I wish the camera would focus. I don't know if you can see in there. But yeah, here it is. GEAC. Runs good. Alright, thanks for watching.